What if you could verify user identities and enforce access policies with just 3 lines of configuration? You'll see how to integrate JWT Authentication with Permit.io's Authorization middleware in FastMCP, where we'll extract user identities from tokens and automatically map server methods to policy checks, all before a single tool executes. The pattern handles both authentication and fine-grained access control in one clean step.
Import OS. #configure JWT identity extraction. OS environ. PermitMCP identity mode equals JWT. OS environ. PermitMCP identity JWT secret equals your JWT secret. MCP add middleware. PermitMCP middleware. Permit PDP URL equals http://localhost 7766. Permit API key equals your Permit API key.
This demonstrates the authorization middleware pattern, where security concerns are cleanly separated from business logic through intercepting requests. The pattern inserts an authorization layer between incoming requests and your server's core functionality, evaluating each operation against external policy rules before execution. What makes this distinctive is its non-invasive nature. You add security without modifying existing tools or routes. The middleware operates by mapping incoming requests to a standardized resource action model, then delegating authorization decisions to an external policy decision point. This separation of concerns means your server remains unaware of authorization logic, while the middleware handles identity extraction, policy evaluation, and access enforcement transparently. The approach follows the principle of externalized authorization, where policy management becomes a configurable service rather than hard-coded logic. This pattern solves the common problem of scattering authorization checks throughout your codebase. By centralizing access control in a dedicated layer, you gain consistent enforcement, easier policy management, and cleaner business logic. The trade-off is added network latency for policy checks, but the benefit is a single source of truth for authorization that can evolve independently from your server implementation. Let's break it down line by line.
Import OS.
Imports Python's OS module for environment variable access. This enables dynamic configuration of JWT secrets and API keys without hard-coding sensitive values. Standard practice for 12-factor app configuration.
#configure JWT identity extraction. OS environ. PermitMCP identity mode equals JWT.
This configures the middleware to extract user identity from JWT tokens. By setting the identity mode to JWT, the system will parse and validate incoming JWTs in the authorization header, using them to establish user context for permission checks.
OS environ. PermitMCP identity JWT secret equals your JWT secret.
Sets the JWT secret key for verifying incoming token signatures. This prevents spoofed identities by ensuring only tokens signed with this secret are accepted, establishing a secure trust chain between your authentication system and permits middleware.
MCP add middleware. PermitMCP middleware.
This registers permits middleware with the MCP server, injecting authorization checks into every request. Middleware pattern ensures consistent policy enforcement before your business logic executes, eliminating scattered permission checks.
Permit PDP URL equals http://localhost 7766.
This specifies the permit policy decision point URL where authorization requests are evaluated. The local development server at port 7766 handles access control decisions before allowing operations to proceed.
Permit API key equals your permit API key.
This is your permit API key for authentication with the policy decision point. It authorizes your middleware to query the permit service, ensuring only valid requests process through the access control system. Always keep this secret secure in production environments. This closes the FastMCP middleware instantiation and passes it to Add Middleware. The trailing parentheses complete the middleware registration, enabling JWT-based identity extraction for all subsequent requests. JWT Identity Pattern. The FastMCP tool decorator combined with JWT identity extraction creates AI callable endpoints where authentication happens invisibly through middleware, keeping your tool logic clean. The JWT secret must match exactly between your token issuer and the environment variable, or all requests will silently fail authentication. This pattern enables secure, stateless authentication without modifying your tool implementations.
The tool that never asks for a name knows every user.